Hello students, welcome to the 7th lab lecture of C programming for BCA first semester. First of all, check the syllabus. Our code is UGCA 1905. This one is the course code and course name is Problem Solving Using C Laboratory. I have already discussed first 6 programs. Today I am going to discuss about 7th program, write a program to compute quotient and remainder. For that, I am using DevC platform. These are the contents according to IK Gujral, Punjab Technical University, Jalandhar. For Bachelor of Computer Applications, that is BCA, Semester 1, course name is Problem Solving Using C Laboratory and course code is UGCA 1905. It's program number 7. Write a program to compute quotient and remainder. First of all, what is the meaning of quotient and remainder? Suppose one number is 12. When divided by 7, it gives us quotient as 1 and remainder as 5, because 7 into 1, 7 and 5 is remainder. And we have to display the contents accordingly. For that, what we have to do, include stdio dot h. This one is the first header file and second header file is conio dot h. These are the two header files required. Then main function, void main, suppose I write here int x is equal to 12 and y is equal to 7. Suppose these are the contents and two variables, one is, let us say, q and second is r. For that, I can write q is equal to x divided by y, and for remainder, what I have to do, I can write x modulus y. It's for calculation of remainder. Printf, here I can write percentage d, then q, I can write here quotient is equal to percentage d, then I can write here printf remainder is equal to percentage d, and here I can write r. To print in the data in the next line, I can write new line. Now execute the program, execute, compile and run. Quotient is equal to 1 and remainder is equal to 5. Now, this program is the static program because values are already given to you. X is equal to 12 and y is equal to 7. Suppose I have to design a dynamic program. For that, what I can do, I can write here printf enter dividend, and from the user side I can write %d, then ampersand x, it means user can enter dividend, then the second value I can copy this content and paste here, enter second value, that is divisor. Here I can write y. Now I can execute the program, compile and run, enter dividend. Suppose I enter 13 here and 7 here. I can display the content accordingly. Quotient is equal to 1 and remainder is equal to 6. One more thing you can do, you can write here print, then you can write %d when divided by %d in the new line. Here you can write x comma y. Now check the output, execute the program again. Suppose I write 12 here and 8 here. 12 when divided by 8, quotient is equal to 1 and remainder is equal to 4. In this way you can print quotient and remainder. One more thing is there. Suppose I enter some decimal value. Then what will happen here? Let's declare double A comma B comma, let us say quotient 1 and remainder 1. Now after the completion of this program, suppose I enter Control C, Control V. Suppose I enter again, enter dividend. Separate the content over here. Enter dividend. Again enter the value. Here I can write %LF for double. Here I can write A and I can write B here because of the second value LF. Suppose I am using some decimal value. Then to calculate the remainder, what I have to do? For that, this content is not applicable for that to find the quotient and remainder, especially in case of remainder. Suppose I am writing R1 here, R1 is equal to, only remainder is required, that R1. I can write here F mod, this one is the function, A comma B, to print the remainder in case of decimal. Printf remainder is equal to percentage .2 LF, and here suppose I am writing R1, then semicolon. Now check the output again, compile and run, enter dividend. Suppose 12 is there, then 5 is there. 12 when divided by 5, quotient is equal to 2 and remainder is equal to 2. Okay, then enter dividend. Suppose I am entering 12.1 and divisor is equal to 5. Now the remainder is 2.1. In this way, you can display the remainder in case of decimal also. Now one change you can do, you can write here new line. Now execute the program again. And one more thing here, you can write new line. Now execute. Compile and run. Enter dividend 12 and then 5. 12 and divided by 5 gives us the quotient as 2 and remainder as 2. Enter dividend again. So I am writing 12.2. Then divisor is equal to 5. Then the remainder is equal to 2.20. In this way, you can display the remainder in decimal format also. In this program, what we completed, we display the quotient and remainder in case of a decimal value by using fmod. In the next video, I will discuss about write a program to accept the values of two variables. Thanks for watching my video.